Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be an Apple Watch band review. This one is the Black and Lime Nike Sport Band. Now the reason I got this is because I'm going to be doing a lot more home workouts because the gym that I go to is closing on Boxing Day. And right now I am using the leather loop. So I need something that's going to be a little bit better for some exercise, which would be a sport band. The reason that I chose this color is because all of my home exercise equipment is from Nike, and Nike's training equipment is normally black and this lime green color. But let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, so here is the box. So just a classic Apple box, really basic. So black Nike box with the picture of the band on the top. On the back here it just says Nike Sport Band with the Apple Watch and Nike logo there. Then the classic pull tab, so we'll just open that up. Okay, Apple Watch Nike. Now let's go ahead and open this guy up. It gives you some instructions on how to put it on as well. That actually looks pretty good. This is the medium large band that I'm going to be using. It also comes with a small medium. Let's go ahead and take this out and put it on my Space Gray Series 6. So super easy, of course. You basically just slide it right into the watch and it clips on. Same thing with the top. The black with the lime green just has a really nice look to it, in my opinion. It looks even better when you have the Nike Edition watch because everything just kind of goes together, especially because most people know that these bands are Nike too. So it just kind of, you know, completes the look. Now let's go ahead and put it on. So just right through the loop, clips on the little stainless steel part right here, and that's pretty much it. I think that looks pretty good. Big fan of the Nike bands. They just feel really good. They're really lightweight, and they have a unique look to it too with the little holes. So this band should be a lot better for home workouts with Fitness Plus, and I'm super excited to use it because of how lightweight it is. Doing workouts with a leather band definitely wouldn't be as nice as using these guys. So this is kind of what the band looks like on my wrist. Of course, I had to put the Nike pants on and the Nike tank top, but I think that looks really good. It's a nice unique colorway. It's subtle and then still kind of flashy because of the green. I am definitely a big fan of the Nike bands, and this one is definitely one of my favorite colors. Here's a little bit of a close-up on my wrist here. So guys, that is it for my unboxing of the black and lime green Nike watch band. Definitely one of my favorite bands that I own currently, just because all of my home gym stuff is this color, so it all just kind of matches. Lots of Fitness Plus workouts to do since gyms are closed, and I'm excited that I have a sport band to, you know, do the workouts with so that I won't damage the leather band that I just got like last week. But anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Leave a comment down below of what you guys think about the band and what is your favorite colorway that the Nike bands come in. Other than that, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys all have a great day and a great Christmas, and I will see you guys in the next video.